Good evening. We have a reservation under the name Smith. Good evening. We have a reservation under the name Smith. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? What are today's special? What are today's special? I would like to order. I would like to order. I'll have the grilled chicken, please. I'll have the grilled chicken, please. Can I get this without onion? Can I get this without onion? I'd like a glass of water, please. I'd like a glass of water, please. Is there a vegetarian option? Is there a vegetarian option? Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? Can you recommend a dessert? Can you recommend a dessert? This taste is amazing. This taste is amazing. Would you like to try more? Would you like to try more? Is everything okay with your meal? Is everything okay with your meal? This place has a great vibe, doesn't it? This place has a great vibe, doesn't it? I love trying new foods with you. I love trying new foods with you. Want some more rice? Want some more rice? I would like to take out, please. I would like to take out, please. Is there a service charge? Is there a service charge? Could we have the bill, please? Could we have the bill, please? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? The service was excellent. The service was excellent. Thank you. The food was delicious. Thank you. The food was delicious.